Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, be sure to check out my pack and ship playlist because I've packed and shipped plates and cups and all kinds of stuff. I paid only 75 cents for the 2 glasses, Anchor Hocking, and they sold on offer for $25 plus shipping. I like to wrap my glassware in a layer of foam. It helps protect the finish, makes a nice presentation. It's not the only way I'm going to wrap it, but it's the first layer. And I need to fill this void, and I'm low on small bubble wrap, so I'm going to use tissue paper today. It does tend to add a little more weight, tissue paper over bubble wrap, but that's what I've got the most of. Next, we're going to wrap it on the diagonal. You see how this doesn't fit all the way, doesn't come all the way up? Well, we can fix that. Take another sheet of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap, nice size bubble. Cut it in half. These are 12 by 12 square. Lay this on top, then fold up the corners. Add some masking tape. Tuck this in, fold this up, masking tape. Do the same thing on the other end. Tuck that down, fold this up. And we have really done a good job of covering this. And if you have any spaces where you don't think it covered very well, just see if you can squish the bubble wrap together and add a little more tape. But overall, this one's pretty good. Let's repeat the process. Foam wrap. Fold this up. Roll it up. Tape it. And if you're interested in this dispenser, I have 2 of them I use. One for masking tape, one for the shipping tape. I call this my packing tape, the masking tape. And you can find a link in the description below the video for each of these. And don't let that roll off the table. Another 12 by 12 square, lay your glass, add the half sheet, fold the corners up, tuck this in, pull that up, tape it, make sure you press your tape down, and repeat the process on the other end. Make sure your tape is pressed down. Again, if you feel like you've got any exposed edges, you can always add some more bubble wrap, but these are going to go in a box with more bubble wrap. Add a thank you label, and kind of want to know where your top and bottom is. I said when I listed it I was going to use an 8 by 8 by 8 box, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. And eBay has an 8 by 8 by 8 box. I'll get it assembled, and we'll see how they fit. Time for the test fit. They just make it in height. Let's see if I can squeeze a little more bubble wrap in here. Put an extra piece on the bottom. Got some air pillows. Won't quite fit in the corner, but I can fit 3 on each of these corners. And I do want something in here, so this is what I do. I save the cardboard from my paper towels. Cut it in half, and what I love about these is how flexible they are. It will conform to the corner and give me some extra cushion. So now it's protected on all 4 corners. I'd like to have a little something on top. And I almost forgot my thank you label, didn't I? Or did I put that on there? Either way, it's getting another one. I have a partial piece of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. I'm going to see if I can get this closed if I add this. I can, but I need to cut it down. Never be afraid to cut it down and save your scraps. By golly, I think we've got it. Shake test, nothing's moving. Always make sure you add tape on the corner of the box. I always say tape the corner of the box, and this is a perfect example. This is a brand new shipment of USPS priority mailboxes, and look at that side seam. It is not glued properly. It is blowing out, and I need to add a lot of extra tape to this one. So always tape your corners. On the bottom, I write the first and last initial of the buyer and the state. So this is going to LM in Texas. How did I do on my 3-pound estimate? I have a sample label on top. It comes in just a little over 2 pounds, 2 pounds 3 ounces. I estimated 3, so I'm good. And I collected $9.59. If you like these kind of videos, we appreciate a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.